Workers receive aluminum slabs, scanning and sorting with automated barcode machines.
High-power laser cutter, slicing the award's rectangular frame shape. Hydraulic press, shaping the award into a smooth, brushed metal plaque.
Human quality control, checking edges, smoothness, and fine scratches. Ultra-polished surface process, spinning buff wheels shining the metal.
Check the tolerances on line 3.
Looks good from here. We are running at 98% efficiency. Dust-free zone cleaning, removing microdust for perfect shine.
High-energy laser engraver, writing generic creator names in bright strokes.
Precision assembly of plaque onto soft foam backing board. Human workers sliding plaques into transparent protective layers.
High-speed packaging machine forming sleek gray award boxes.